The anime and motivational niche on platforms like TikTok and YouTube has been blowing up, with creators using popular anime clips along with AI-generated voiceovers to share life lessons or motivational quotes. Since anime is one of the most watched genres globally and often carries a deep, philosophical vibe, this type of content connects with people on a powerful level. However, the problem is that using copyrighted anime footage can be risky, which got me thinking, is there a way to generate these clips entirely with AI? As it turns out, yes, you can. Not only can you generate AI anime clips, but they're also as good, if not better, than traditional anime. And the best part is, you can do it for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI-generated anime shorts from scratch. By the way, if you want to save all that time of starting a TikTok account from scratch, and you want to start earning money right now from your first video, I recommend Tikaccounts.com. There you can get your TikTok account monetized and ready to make money. You have the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Now let's get started. Step 1. Writing the perfect script. I usually start by using ChatGPT to generate the scripts. Many of the anime-style motivational videos online revolve around life lessons based on philosophy, particularly Stoicism. To match this, I guide ChatGPT to write scripts that draw from Stoic principles, but I make sure to ask for simple, modern language to keep things relatable. You want the AI to sound conversational and approachable, rather than overly formal. To give ChatGPT clear direction, I often provide a relevant quote for inspiration. For example, if the message is about resilience, I might prompt it to craft a story comparing life's difficulties to rough seas, where the key lesson is that facing challenges head-on makes us stronger, just like how a skilled sailor learns to navigate through storms. It's concise, impactful, and easy for viewers to connect with. Step 2. Recording the voiceover. Next, you'll need to record the voiceover. For the best results, I recommend ElevenLabs, an AI text-to-speech tool that produces incredibly lifelike voiceovers. The platform offers a free plan that allows you to generate up to 20 minutes of audio each month, which is perfect for short videos. Once you've signed up, browse through their selection of voices and pick one that matches the tone of your script. Paste the text into the editor, hit Generate, and you'll have a professional-sounding voiceover in seconds. But listen, if your video focuses on a famous anime character like Goku or a real one like Thomas Shelby, I highly recommend using Jammable. This AI allows you to use voices of any famous person or cartoon character. You can find the link to all the AIs down in the description. Step 3. Generating anime footage. Now it's time to create the actual anime visuals. For this, I like using Pika Labs, which offers 250 free credits per month to generate AI videos. Pika Labs has been a game changer for creating anime-style content. To get the best results, here's how you can structure your prompt. Start with the main subject. For instance, if your video is about a sailor enduring rough seas, you could describe the scene as a sailboat in a storm. Add details for the setting. Include elements like dark skies, lightning, crashing waves, and rain to set the mood. If you prefer, to generate detailed and quality prompts, you can also get help from our dear friend ChatGPT. Specify the art style. Since you're aiming for anime, mention Ghibli-style animation or hand-drawn anime to get an authentic look. Set the frame rate to 12 FPS, which is typical for anime, and leave the aspect ratio at 16:9 for now. Though you're creating short-form content, sticking to 16:9 will yield better results since the AI is optimized for that format. You can adjust it to 9:16 later for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. To avoid unwanted elements in the scene, use negative prompts like blurry, distorted, or low quality. If the result isn't quite what you had in mind, you can try adjusting the seed number to get a slightly different variation, or fine-tune the prompt to better match your vision. Step 4. Choosing the right music. Music plays a big role in setting the tone of your video. If you're posting on Instagram or TikTok, you can use trending music directly from those platforms. But if you're uploading to YouTube, you'll need copyright-free music to avoid any issues. I recommend Epidemic Sound, which has a massive library of royalty-free tracks that fit all types of moods. Also, YouTube's library is a good option. Step 5. Editing the video. Now that you have all the pieces, voiceover, music, and visuals, it's time to bring everything together. I suggest using CapCut for editing because it's free and easy to use, but feel free to use any software you're comfortable with. Import your files into the timeline, starting with the background music and voiceover. Sync the audio. pay attention to the peaks in your background music, especially the climax or most dramatic part of the track. This moment should align with the key message or conclusion of your voiceover to maximize its emotional impact. Adjust the visuals. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos, and drag your anime clips into the timeline. Resize and crop them as needed to fit the frame. Step 6. Adding subtitles. Since a large portion of viewers watch videos with the sound off, subtitles are essential. I recommend SubMagic, an AI tool that automatically generates animated captions. It's fast and offers a variety of caption styles to choose from, including popular ones like Heroic or Mr. Beast style. Upload your video, choose your language, and SubMagic will handle the transcription for you. From there, you can fine-tune the style, size, and placement of the captions to match your video's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied, download the final product. The final product. Here's the finished result.
You'll be able to be more talented than me, you'll be able to be smarter than me. But if we get on a treadmill, there are only two options. Either you get off first, or I'm going to die. It's that simple. That has a name, and it's called determination.
I think this turned out great. As more creators start experimenting with AI-generated anime, you'll see a shift from static images to more engaging dynamic videos. If you're among the first to master this technique, you can create content that stands out and has a good chance of going viral. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content creation tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.